Okay, so this is my old Samsung. I'm just gonna put that out of the way. I'm gonna be unboxing my OnePlus 6. I don't really have a knife, so we're gonna try to do this by hand. Though I just did my nails, so hope these don't get ruined. Okay, so just a little bit of information. I might cut that part out, but basically I already ordered my OnePlus 6 and I already unboxed it, so this is actually my second time unboxing one. The reason being is because they just launched their student program thing and I'm still a student for the summer. So I thought I might as well get that 5% discount, which you might think it's just 5%, right? But no, it's like 50 bucks. Do you know what I can do with 50 bucks? I don't know what I can do with 50 bucks, but something. Okay, so same way, same thing. I got the Midnight Black 256 gigs because I think I need that much space for some reason. I always like to unbox a new phone. So there's a receipt in there. And their shipping is super fast. I don't know, like, depends where you live, but here in Canada they ship through DHL. And it's like DHL Express, so that's pretty cool. Something sharp now. That's all I needed. Is it okay? It's honestly, they really package it well. Like, this is beautiful. Never seen one before. First time ever. Cannot believe it. Oh my goodness. It sucks because I really just wanted an adjustment, but I had to send my old one back. Well, this one is stuck. And oh my goodness, I wonder what's in here. It's like my first time ever opening this. This is a SIM card. I currently am using my Samsung Galaxy S8. I guess I could talk about why I got this phone even though I have a pretty decent, perfect condition Samsung Galaxy S8. First of all, I used to, my second phone I should say, that I actually bought with my own money was a OnePlus 2. And that's when I was first getting into phones on the internet. And I read about OnePlus and how they're like, you know, they produce phones with like good specs but half the price and whatever. So when I got my OnePlus 2, I really like it, and I honestly still have my OnePlus 2. I never sold it or anything. In fact, I actually ordered new batteries for it. I'm gonna try to switch those up. And switching to the Samsung was nice. Okay, the camera is amazing. The screen on the Samsung Galaxy S8 is much better than the OnePlus 2. Why? In which term? It's when you're out in the sun. That's a point for a Samsung Galaxy S8. The other thing is OnePlus has a very clean launcher. Everything is just so clean, no bloatware, nothing like that. Samsung has like those skins and everything, like those themes, which are nice, but it just feels heavy. Like using the phone is not necessarily slow, but it just feels kind of heavy, like there's a lot of stuff happening in the background, which there is, considering how much, you know, graphics and stuff like that they put into their themes, for example. Another reason, the battery life, I guess. The battery life on the Samsung Galaxy S8 is decent, but it's not enough for me. But in general, I feel like Samsung doesn't know how to utilize their battery to, you know, fit like maximum efficiency, basically. This other reason is not really like an actual reason, it's just my choice because I got the S8, not the Plus. The screen is obviously smaller, which is okay for some people, but I learned that I'm not a small screen person. I like the bigger ones more. Look at how beautiful this one is. Anyway, that's all I have. Alright, so thank you for watching and subscribe to watch more videos.